Okay, let's look up here. This here and this here. Suppose you can go under this here lip, pour down. There's two clips on each end like this, and they supposed to snap. Should hear a snap. Okay. There's one. Pop it. There's two. Okay. Now that's hanging down. Okay. There are also screws that, see, there's one here, one in the middle, and one on the other side. There's screws. See that one in the middle? And I believe they're screwed in through the headliner. Huh. Okay, you got a hex screw here. So, then you got one here. Okay, it looks like I may have to take the headliner route down a little further. Got one of these on each side. So, may have to just take that down a little further. Okay, in addition to this here, the side panel that I needed to release to get this this here loose, to get the liner loose, there's a little flap. There's a little flap here, and you have a hex screw that goes in there. I already took it out, but there's a screw behind there in order to release this pillar back here. So now we have room to take this liner down some more, where you can get back to this a little better, and you can see kind of what you're doing. Okay, I do have to take the other side down, take that one out. Okay, got it out. There's your screw. There's your hex. Okay, now that releases. Okay. There's your setup. One. that. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. That 3 was holding it. Okay. So now I have the drop down, so you don't leave you much room. Okay. Well, that's out. Now, not my connection bad. Let me hit the brake and see what. Oh, flickered. Why did it? Okay, out of there. Okay, that was challenging. Okay. Put that in. Okay. Up in there. It goes under there like that. Okay. Boom. So. That's back up there. Okay. Now what I want to do is just wipe the window down from the in here. Okay. Wipe that down because you probably won't get a chance to clean it again. Okay. So like this bracket here has a pinhole right there, and this pin here goes through that to hold it in place, and things should line up like that. Okay, so I have to find this pinhole on this bracket. If I can find the pinhole. I'm just going to lock the screw in there for right now. But this pinhole is the key. So I'm going to lock that in there. I got both these tabs locked for the screws. I'm just concentrating on getting this pinhole lined up so I know I'm in the right place. So it actually goes like this. The pinhole sticks through here. The flat side is on our bar. The protruding side is towards the car, the body. So, okay, I'm learning on the fly. So I'll pull that off, put it back up in here. So my pinhole is facing towards me. And then we put it back up in there like this. Put it back up in here. Okay. There we go. Bam. Screw, pinhole, screw. I see both screws. Okay, there we go. Go like that. Okay. Go like that. Go like that. And we go like that. Okay. This is going to be the trick. That's in place. Uncap that. Throw the screw up in here. Oops. Came back off. Go up there. Found it. Got it. Got it. Tight. Tight. Boom. Boom. Okay. Boom. Tight. It's in there. Happy about that. Okay. That was tedious, but doable. Okay. Boom. Okay. Well, trick, use a magnet to get it started. Okay. Then get your grip. Then take it up. Line it up, dear. Get it started. Okay. Okay. That started. That's in there actually. Tight. Boom. Then get your weather strip and tuck it. Tuck it under. Tuck it under your strips. And it just snaps in. Okay. That snaps in. Okay. That side is good. Okay, we still haven't gotten that yet. They're tight. Got the lock pieces in. Good to go. Go back up in there. There's clips up in here that's just snap in. Okay. There's 1, 2. Okay. And my brake light is flush. Boom. Brake light is back in. No gaps. No gaps. Flush. Tight. Okay. Side panel. Well, that's it. Everything is back together. All that for a third brake light replacement.